Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sofia Moreno Jaimes, and this is a recording for this listening drill session. Unfortunately, any of the students sign up for the class of this session 5 p.m., but still I'm going to record the class that I prepared for today. So this that we were going to follow today. We're going to greet, introduce ourselves, know a little bit more about each other. Then we were going to discuss the expectations and the goal that I prepared for this class. Then we were going to do a warm-up activity where students would get or start practicing their listening skills by uh, learning about urban legends and also practicing their speaking, which is very important when you listen to. Then we'll get into the listening activities, and all the students were going to listen to different activities and like discuss it, and we will review it together. And then the wrap up and conclusion, if the students had any question or any suggestion or comment, this section is like open for them to like talk about whatever they want. The goal of this class is that the students will be able to understand passage about urban legends and recognize how speakers use tone and intonation to show their feelings or attitudes. They will practice using these features when telling their own stories and learn new words related to urban legends. So pretty much this is the expectation of today class, that the students will recognize how speakers that use different accents, tone, and intonation to show their feelings and the emotions that they are feeling at the moment they are explaining the short story. They will practice using these like aspects when they have the opportunity to tell their own stories. And that's pretty much it. This was going to be the warm-up activity. The students were going to watch a video about urban legend. And then after that, we will be discussing vocabulary. We'll be discussing these three questions. Have you heard about an urban legend in your area? How popular this legend was or is? Did you believe in this urban legend? And that's it. We're going to be discussing by speaking. If the students couldn't open their mic, they could write it on the chat. But this activity is to like motivate them to listen in and talk about certain topic. Then we will get into the practice and the activities. We will be learning the listening strategy, discussing, and then based on that, we will be doing and developing each activity. For example, this one is will have to listen different types of sentences, and then they will choose the tone and the voice of the speaker use. Then they will be practicing repetition, pronunciation, so they can copy their tone of voice. Now we'll be talking about the different patterns that a person can say in a statement, and we'll be listening more and more audios about the same topic, pretty much. So, and then if they have questions, suggestion, or any comment, they will like have this section to like let me know. So I will help them in their areas of improvement, and then I will be sending the attendance link. Unfortunately, any of the students could connect, they couldn't sign up. But this was my recording of this class preparation for listening drills week 7. Thank you very much.